Hi guys, it's Rachel here. I have gift idea number 10. Yes? No? I think number 10. So this idea is again from Roben Marie Smith. She's just fabulous, as you all probably know. And she had made this gift pouch with little pouches inside. So I've done my spin on it, different to Roben's. I had to do it in my style, although one day I'll do one her style because I'm going to do her course, which I don't have time to do it, so I haven't bought it yet. So basically the outer pouch is made with a manila folder, and I've decorated it with one of my printables and then a mix of papers and lace and a butterfly, and I put some antique paper across the top, and then the other side is also decorated again with one of my printables and then just a little collagey bit, like similar to Roben's, although I haven't done her course, so I don't know exactly what she put in hers, and then a little bit of textile and some birds. And then inside I put in 2 pouches like Roben, so here they are. And mine are made out of acetate because I'm on the acetate bandwagon at the moment. And so Roben used very strong tracing paper like the Italian one that I have. And I could have used that, but I just wanted to give it a go with the recycling the bag, the acetate sort of plasticky sort of bags. And different to Roben, I put a fabric across the top and some lacy curtain sort of tulle stuff down the side. And so I've just thrown these bits of ephemera in there just for effect, but you can put whatever you like in there. But I thought these would be really fun also inside journals and things because they're not too bulky. I mean, if you've got a journal that will allow for it, I mean, they're a great addition. And you could even attach 2 with some fabrics. See, the ideas are just endless. Some fabrics down the center, and then you've got 2 in the journal. Yep, so I've made 2. They're similar but different, and so I will upload the video soon. The other thing I was thinking could be nice, which I didn't do because I didn't think about it, was these lovely embellishments that I made in the 3 in 30 minutes. Could look really nice on there as well, and I didn't do that. Or you could have like a cardboard button in the center and maybe stitch some sari silk and wrap it around. I mean, the possibilities are endless. So it's a super fun project, and thank you, Roben, for sharing it with everyone. I of course always recommend going and watching the original video because it's always better to see the person who created it make it. And you know, like mine's slightly different to Roben's because I didn't have a file folder with a gusset. I had to create it. So yes, you should watch Roben's video because it might inspire you to do something different to what I've done, if you know what I mean. So it's always good to see both because they're done, they're similar but different. So after this video, I will upload the how-to because I've already filmed it. Like I actually filmed these when I was making these. I did 2 videos because I did one video making these, the see-through the bag, pouchy things. And then the second video was this because I had a bit of a blank. So I turned the camera off and then came back and then made it. So I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you again soon. Bye.